Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the fingerprint sensor on your OnePlus 15R isn't recognizing your fingerprint correctly. So the most probable reason for that is your screen protection glass, before we try solutions that imply removing parts of the phone, like removing the screen protection that is interfering with the scanner, let's first try some other solutions, especially if you don't have any screen protection on your smartphone and still experiencing these issues with your phone. So first of all, let's remove the old fingerprint from our device by going to settings, selecting privacy and security. I kinda lost here, security and privacy right here, and then scroll down to device unlock. Then let's go to face and fingerprint unlock. Go to your fingerprint, enter your password, select your added fingerprints and delete each one of them before adding a new one. And now before we add a new fingerprint to our device, I recommend using a microfiber cloth to wipe the surface of the screen and make sure that it's clean and smooth and that no stains on our phone's display interfere with the fingerprint itself. And once you have made sure of that, you don't necessarily need to use microfiber cloth. You can also use just a dry towel instead, but the microfiber cloth is just the best choice for this issue. And do not use any liquids. Tap add a fingerprint, then confirm, and then let's use the fingerprint that we want to use to unlock the phone with to add a new fingerprint model. So just press the fingerprint scanner with different parts of your fingerprint and proceed by adding a new fingerprint until the entire pattern is filled with blue color and it says fingerprint added at the top of the screen. Now we can go back, and before we proceed, let's also make sure that the software of the phone is updated to the latest version, as some minor security updates usually come with the software update. And to make sure that you're not experiencing one of these security issues with your smartphone, let's make sure that we're using the latest software version. So let me just quickly connect to a Wi-Fi to download the latest software version. And now, since I didn't mention it clearly before, in order to update software we have to go to settings, open system and update, go to software update, and let our smartphone check for updates here. And if we have an available update, then let's download and install it before we proceed. And then let our phone restart. And if you don't have any software updates for your device, then anyway, restart your phone just to make sure that all the changes have been applied properly. And now let's just wait until the update is downloaded and then installed. Once the update is downloaded and installed, you're gonna have to tap restart now and then wait for your phone to be restarted. Next, we're gonna have to first unlock the phone using the password. And now let's try to use a fingerprint. Okay, so it went smoothly. Let's test it a couple more times. And so if everything works for you fine right now, then the problem should be resolved. But if you're still experiencing the issue, then this must be the interference with your device's screen protection. So at this point I recommend getting an original screen protector from OnePlus and replacing your current one with the original one and then trying to add a fingerprint once again. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.